WeVideo Picture in Picture. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Chris from Stark Expand, and in this video I will be showing you how you can make a picture-in-picture effect in your editing. For the longest time I was looking for an alternative to Adobe Premiere Pro and just to have this picture-in-picture effect, and the best software that I found for this was in WeVideo, and it's super simple to do it here, and I will show you. So what you do is that you open your project or the video that you are working with. We will continue with our grass example over here. And let's just zoom into this a bit and adjust the clip. So right now it's, let's mute it also. Right now it's playing the clip, and we have one clip. So all you have to do is drag in another clip atop of it on another lane. And as you can see down here at the bottom, you can have multiple lanes if you just hit the plus button over here. I don't know how many you can add, but so far I've added like 6 tracks when I made my Carter review. Anyway, so here you have it. So this acts as a B-roll overlay. As you can see, it jumps over to the second clip. Let's just shorten this up a bit. It acts like a B-roll. Super simple. Now, the picture-in-picture effect. What you need to do is that you go into the properties of your overlay video in the second lane, double-click on it, and here you can resize the picture, see? And then you just move it to wherever you want to have it placed. Maybe it's on the top left corner. And save. So let's play it and see how it became. Yeah, beautiful. And if you want to add effects to your overlay picture-in-picture, all you have to do is go into properties again and go to animation. And here you will select where it will end position. Maybe it's, let's put it up over here instead. And you can always fade it, but we won't fade it right now. Save. Let's look at how it became. Bam. Yeah, so I think I will fade it. Fade. Save. So much cleaner. Look at that. Oh, but the fading was a bit too quick for my taste, so I think I will just fade it out to half a second for both. Like that and like that. Or here you can even drag it over here. I think 3 will be good, so that the picture-in-picture overlay is not so harsh. And look at that. So that's how you do a picture-in-picture. Now, I usually don't do movements on my picture-in-picture videos, so, and it looks like the most professional when you just have a simple overlay, but you get the idea. So it's super simple, and that's it. Save your project and you are done. So that's it for this video. Very short, very sweet, and right to the point. I'll see you guys in the next video.